How to create a CRA account online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily create a CRA account online, that is Canadian Revenue Agency. So to create your CRA account, first head over to your www.canada.ca official website, and once you're inside here you will see this interface, and what you want to do is come over to this button over here, and once you click on the register for my account option, simply wait for some time and just click on whether you want to register for individual or account, or for business account or a client. So in this case I'm selecting for individual, and once you are inside here just make sure you read all of these. And as you can see, for your CRA account user ID, you will need a social insurance number, date of birth, and most recent tax return document. And for this purpose, for faster access to the CRA sign-in service, you also need a mobile device with a working camera and one of the following. You can see a Canadian passport and a Canadian or a driver's license, a provincial or territorial photo ID card. And to create an account, you just have to click on this. You can see here, register with CRA user ID and password. And as you can see, the website has been turned down for the system maintenance right now, so I'll show you from the example over here. Once you click on that, you will see this option, this interface, where you need to, as I talked earlier, you'll need to enter your social insurance number and postal code and date of birth, as well as tax information for your return of the current year in the dollars. So once you do that, you just have to follow the more on-screen instruction, and once you click that, it's done. Your CRA have successfully created your CRA account on your device. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.